So welcome back to my channel. So my channel name is English with Rajni Devi, as you know very well. So today in my video I am gonna tell you how to learn English because I have experience. So that's why I am telling to you about my experience as how I learned English. So without wasting the time, let's jump into the video. So as I am telling to you how did I learn English, because when I started my journey, so that time I asked every person, could you help me for improving English? But nobody helped me. It's okay, because nowadays nobody have more much time and they are busy in their life. So that's why, okay, even when other persons ask to me to learn English, so that time definitely I will deny to help those people who want to learn English. So yeah, it's okay. I can't claim to other person because this is my journey and I have to handle by myself. So then I decided I have to learn by myself. So then I started searching new things, new applications. With the help of, I can improve my communication skills. So by God grace, I had one application, and that application was very super for me. And I had learned lots of things by that application. So that's how I started my journey, because simultaneously I started my YouTube channel. So that times I suggested those English structures. With the help of we can make the English structures, and we can make the lots of English structures, and the way I can speak English. Okay, so that's why, and that time I couldn't show my face. So that's how I started my journey as well. And I, because that times I talked many peoples. I talked with many peoples, like from out of countries, out of states. So that's how I started my journey, and I started talking lots of peoples. Uh, which peoples are around me, not around me, I think those peoples who can connect with the help of mobile phone. So that's how I started as well. And sometime, because I have watched, I have subscribed lots of channels. So first of all, I would like to tell you one channel name, and that channel is very helpful for you, okay, and will be helpful for you. And that channel name is a Chandan Sir's videos. And then I started watching Chandan Sir videos, and I have learned lots of things by Chandan Sir videos. And then I started rapid fire, and I started creating new fake story and new different types of stories I started creating. So that's how I started my spoken English. So because sometimes I believe that so sometimes I think something like this. uh, when did I learn English? Because I don't know, seriously I don't know when I started my journey. That time, I asked every person. So that time, when I get the chance to speak with myself to other people's, with the help of mobile phone. So that time I started speaking, I started continuously speaking with the different peoples with the help of mobile phone. Even I don't have any partner, even environment. So very well, I have learned by myself as well. God, because God helps me a lot. Even helped, okay, only God helped me, nobody helped me. But yeah, so this time I can speak English well, but sometimes I get stuck. It's okay, it's a genuine thing, okay. It happens, because when you started your journey, when you started speaking initially day, it happens, okay. So yeah, and I know I make lots of mistakes, I know, because of why making the mistake you can learn lots of things. I think this is a fact. When you make the lots of mistake, by making the mistake you can learn, and after that you can consider that next time I will not make the mistake. Okay, so that's why don't think about any mistakes. Some people's afraid of making the mistake. This time I'm making the mistake. Okay, so another person, what will think about me? So why are you thinking, and why are you wasting the time, thinking about other person? Only express your feeling in English, whether you are wrong or right, and try to make the video. And after completing your make video, you can check your mistake. This time I'm making the mistake. Okay, this time I'm making the mistake, and next time I will not make the mistake. I think, as far as I know, I believe, okay, I believe that things, uh, because you are learning English right now. Okay, you are learning English right now, and you are thinking, because when I will be perfect, and then I will make the I will upload the video on my channel. When I have the perfect in English, so that time I will upload the video on my channel. I think this time you are wrong. Okay, because I think, another hand, you are saying I don't have any partner, even persons. So let me know, who will tell you. You know, who would you tell you? Who would you tell you? Please let me know. Okay, so that time you can do something like this, because when you have the practice, so you can record all the things which you are telling, which you are recording in front of camera, and then you can upload your channel. So I believe there are so many, persons are sitting, uh, sittings, who are judging to you. Okay, and definitely they 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 will tell you, because this time you are making the mistake. You should speak something like this. Okay, so you can learn why uploading the video, why making the video. I believe, okay, because I think, I have learned type of those types of techniques. So yeah, please, okay, don't think about any mistake. Mistake is a common thing. Even native speaker make the mistake. So why are you afraid of making the mistake? Because this time I'm making the mistake. So please relax, okay? Go ahead and keep your journey, and improve a lot. So definitely you will be perfect. And yeah, and another things, and I have lots of things, those things are I apply in my spoken English. So definitely I will tell you in my next video. So please watch my fully video. This video will be helpful for you definitely. And I tell you my experience, all experience. Okay, how I learned English. I didn't have any partner, and I have learned by myself and God's help. So you can speak English with yourself. Okay, and you can speak at your home, without environment, because uh, nowadays, I think, it doesn't matter that you have a partner or not. Okay, it doesn't matter is because you are learning, you are improving day by day. Believe me. Okay, so definitely you will be perfect, and I will tell you my experience and how I did learn English, how I learned English. So everything I will tell you. So please watch my video till the end. So this video will be helpful for you, and definitely you will get inspirations. You will get the inspirations while watching my video. So please watch my full video. So thank you. Bye bye.